Hey guys, my name is FoxyFan6989, you know me as Cody. Welcome back to another reaction video, guys. We are actually going to be reacting to cats versus cucumbers, or cats scared of cucumbers, whatever you want to say, guys. It's kind of funny, guys, so, yeah. Enough of my chit-chat. Let's get into this video. In 3, 2, 1, boop. Also, guys, sorry for all the background noise. I am on the bus. Sorry, it's very bumpy and noisy. Like I said, guys, I am on the bus. Also, I recorded this when I was in 8th period, maybe like the end of 8th period. Oh boy. Oh jeez. Oh Jesus, this is going downhill very fast. Okay, there we go. I want you guys to see my face and stuff, so, you know, that's mandatory in reaction to this. So if you see me checking the time, that's basically why I was checking the time. You see right there, guys? And then I think I checked the time one more time. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. It just turned us 2:44, which is almost the end of the period. We only had 1 minute left. Oh, come on. Son, stop being annoying. Bumpy, bumpy road! Bumpy, bumpy road! Don't ask, guys. Just don't ask. Oh God, no, not the water. Z, what the F anywhere? Let me just make it a little bit bigger for you guys. There you go. Notice it. Oh God. They call it the cucumber. Sorry guys, hiccup. Another bumpy bump and a loud truck. Oh my gosh! Dun-dun-dun-dun. Anyway guys, this is going to be the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also hit that bell icon, guys. That makes a great difference into, you know, letting you guys know to whenever I upload a new video, guys. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!